Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of beam. A long, sturdy piece of squared timber or metal spanning an opening or part of a building, usually to support the roof or floor above. For example, there are very fine oak beams in the oldest part of the house. The second definition of beam. A ray or shaft of light. For example, a beam of light flashed in front of her. American pronunciation. Beam. Beam. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Beam. Say. Beam. Beam means long supporting structure. Beam. Beam. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. It transpired that the oak beam supporting the floor had collapsed. Now, repeat after me. It transpired that the oak beam supporting the floor had collapsed. The second practice. All the rooms feature natural stone tiled floors and exposed beams. Now, repeat after me. All the rooms feature natural stone tiled floors and exposed beams.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.